Barricaded.
Houston Police Department! County arrest warrant!
To the right.
Holy crap. Yeah, come on out. Come out. Get your hands up.
What is wrong with you? What do you mean?
Who are you talking to?
Turn around and face the wall. Now.
Who are you talking to in
Go down
there?
your knees. Go down to your knees.
On your knees, hands up.
Okay, go ahead.
You got contact.
Stop! Stop! Do as you're told. Give you plenty of chance to talk. Stop talking.
Hands up, sir. Come on. Move your hands, man.
Yep.
Anybody else in here?
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. We're about to search the rest of the residence, okay? Is there anyone else in here?
No, sir.
Because if we find someone else in here and they are a wanted suspect, you'll be charged with another crime.
There's
You
no one in
understand?
here, sir.
There's no one else in here?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm just,
Let's go him out. Let's go.
Can I just say something?
Okay. You'll get plenty of chances. Wait till we get through taking care of our business first, sir.
It's not the same Heath I left. When I left the unit, that's not the same Heath I left. I don't think so. Yeah, we're still clearing. Yeah. Where'd that come from? You look under this bed?